So we're outside the church in the village of Magan, 9 kilometres up from the coast. And the bells are ringing out for the start of the fiestas up here, 10 days of fiestas, but never forgetting that the reason we're having our fiestas is all based around religion. The lady that is busy ringing the bells to tell the whole village that the fiesta is about to start. It's a real honour for her to be up there. The church is a central part in the whole village, a central part in the whole fiesta. And if you see the mountain to the left at the top, there's actually a cross that's been installed that looks over the village of Magan. It gets lit up when we have our fiestas. So for everyone that hasn't heard church bells in a while, this church rings on the hour, on the half hour, every day. And you can definitely hear them today. This is the start of the fiestas in Magan Pueblo, San Antonio de Padao. He's patron saint of the region. Goodness, her arms must be aching. Hearing the church bells from the church in the centre of the village of Magan. It's a little mountain Canarian village on the island of Gran Canaria. And this is the official start of 10 days of fiestas. And the Canarians do know how to party. Yesterday there was a big service inside the church, a misa, for all the people from the area that we've lost in the last year. They always honour their ancestors before anything. You can see her arms are starting to ache now. I think the whole village is aware that the fiestas are starting today. You're listening to the church bells of the church, little tiny old church. I think it's about 200 years old, in the village of McGann. It's a little tiny village on the southwest of the island, 9 kilometres up from the coast, on the island of Gran Canaria. Yeah, so our arms are really starting to give up now. But a real honour to be the one that's ringing the bells to start the fiesta. And have a little walk round to the front of the church and see what's happening. So she's now been ringing the bells for over 10 minutes. People have come out in the village. You see the front doors of the church are open. Usually they're closed. The church is open every day from the side door, just up the steps there. Forgive my camera skills, I'm not quite doing what I wanted to do. But beautiful sound, the peal of the bells here up in McGann Pueblo. Little Canarian island, mainly farmers. And the bells you hear are actually being rang by hand. One lady's up there, she has the honour of ringing the bells to signify the start of the fiestas up here, which will be going for 10 days. Oh, she's really giving it that far now. Bless her. Her arms must be absolutely aching. 15 minutes on her own. She's been up there ringing these bells. What a joyous sound. Ya está. Hola.
Ya está.
Bien, gracias. I would say the whole village is very happy to hear the bells ringing. Now we've got the fireworks. Bless them. It looks like little glitter puffs of glitter has been shot into the air. Now the real fireworks, we just can't see them because of the sun. How beautiful. So there you go, the beginning of the fiestas. San Antonio de Padao up in Magan village. Oops, I've got a spider on me. I have to get rid of that before I keep going. Antonio de Padao, which is in a little village 9 kilometres up from the coast, from the resort of Puerto de Magan. It's about 12-15 minute drive from Puerto Rico. So if you're on holiday in these areas in the next 10 days, make your way up to the village of Magan. I have put information up on the site so you can see what's happening here in the next few days. And it's not just for locals, it's free. There's free all night concerts. And there's even, it ends with a lovely handmade craft stalls at the end of the fiesta. But the timetable and the dates are all available on my YouTube channel. Video I did a few days ago. So there you go. I'll be bringing you lots of events that are going on in the next few days. So if you aren't able to travel to Gran Canaria or you're thinking of coming in the future, you can experience how our fiestas are here on Gran Canaria. And this is a real traditional one. It's not a tourist area, but all tourists are welcome. It's all paid for by local funds. So the only thing it's going to cost you is your bus ride up. It's $140 from Puerto de Magan. There's lots of buses being laid on. There'll be buses through the night to take you back down, so you're not going to be stranded. And everyone's welcome. So come and have an experience of real Canarian celebrations. Don't forget to bring your camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. My goodness, it's the first time I've said that. And hopefully you enjoy the videos I bring you in the next 10 days. Have a blessed day, everyone.